In this lesson, we'll enhance our report's usability by adding a date slicer, allowing users to filter data by time. We'll also create a clear, impactful title to give the report a polished touch.
Now that we have freed up some more space on our canvas, let's add another slicer. This time we will be adding a date slicer. To do that, we'll go into our order section and bring in order date column into our field. You will see that the slicer appears on our screen, and when we play with it, the numbers on all of our visuals change according to the date range. Let's place this slicer to the right of the canvas against our state slicer and customize it. We'll go to our format visual section, and let's first of all turn off the slicer header by clicking on this toggle against slicer header. Next, let us now add a title for our report. To do that, we'll insert a text box. You'll head over to the Insert section on the top ribbon, and you will see a text box option appear. Click on text box and it will bring it into your canvas. We'll expand it a little, and then we will type in our title for this report. Let's call it Benji's Sales Dashboard. We will increase the size of our text. Let's set it to 24. And let's make it bold. You will also see that you can adjust the font of your text. But for now, let's keep it to default. Okay, now let's center align our text. Next, we will customize it further by going into our format pane, and here we'll go under effect section and expand it, and we'll change the background color of our title text. We can choose a color from this color chart. Let's set it to this light orange color. Let's also add a border to our title box and set its roundedness to be 5 so that it matches the theme of our other visuals.
The date slicer is cool, and the title really makes it feel like a complete report.
That's the magic of small details, Benji. Speaking of details, let's add some metrics that really matter.